Welcome to our exploration of one of the most remote and challenging places on Earth, Antarctica. This icy continent, shrouded in legend and mystery, holds a profound allure for explorers and dreamers alike. Yet, reaching its frozen shores is an endeavor fraught with extraordinary obstacles. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 major reasons why reaching this icy continent is almost impossible for the average person. We'll delve into the extreme conditions, logistical nightmares, and international regulations that make Antarctica a realm reserved for only the most intrepid and well-prepared. Antarctica's isolation is not merely a matter of distance, it's about being utterly cut off from the rest of the world. Imagine a landmass larger than Europe and Australia combined, entirely encircled by the storm-tossed Southern Ocean. The closest inhabited landmass, South America, lies over 600 miles away across the treacherous Drake Passage, known for its ferocious winds and towering waves. This geographical remoteness poses the first and most formidable barrier to reaching the continent. Unlike other remote corners of the Earth, there are no indigenous populations, no permanent settlements, and no established infrastructure. Every visitor is entirely reliant on the outside world for survival. Antarctica holds the title of the coldest place on our planet, a distinction earned through temperatures that can plummet to -80 degrees Celsius or -112 degrees Fahrenheit during the depths of winter. But the cold is just one element of the meteorological maelstrom that engulfs this continent. Imagine hurricane-force winds exceeding 100 miles per hour, whipping across the icy plains, transforming snowflakes into blinding blizzards that can bring visibility down to mere feet. These conditions aren't just uncomfortable, they are life-threatening, capable of halting expeditions, grounding aircraft, and plunging even the most experienced polar travelers into peril. Antarctica's landscape is one of stark beauty and unforgiving terrain. Imagine a vast white expanse stretching as far as the eye can see, a frozen desert where 98% of the land lies buried beneath a thick, icy carapace. This ice sheet in places is over 2 miles thick, concealing mountain ranges and valleys beneath its frozen grip. Navigating this icy wilderness requires specialized equipment and vehicles, from ice-strengthened ships to tracked vehicles designed to traverse the treacherous terrain. Even the simplest tasks like collecting water or building shelter become monumental challenges in this extreme environment. Reaching Antarctica is not a simple matter of booking a flight or hopping on a cruise ship. The logistical hurdles are immense and costly. Most expeditions begin at the southern tip of South America, requiring air travel to remote ports followed by arduous sea voyages. These voyages, often aboard ice-strengthened vessels, can take days or even weeks, battling unpredictable weather and navigating treacherous ice-choked waters. The sheer remoteness means that expeditions must be entirely self-sufficient, carrying all necessary supplies, from food and fuel to scientific equipment and emergency gear. This logistical complexity adds a hefty price tag to any Antarctic venture. Chapter 5. A continent governed legal and political barriers. Antarctica is unique in that it is not owned by any one nation. Instead, it falls under the jurisdiction of the Antarctic Treaty system, a complex agreement signed by over 50 countries. This treaty, while promoting scientific collaboration and environmental protection, also imposes strict regulations on all activities within the Antarctic region. Obtaining permits and authorizations for expeditions can be a lengthy and bureaucratic process, requiring meticulous planning and adherence to stringent environmental protocols. These regulations, while essential for preserving this pristine environment, add another layer of complexity to reaching the continent. Chapter 6. A fleeting window, limited opportunities. Reaching Antarctica is not just about overcoming logistical and regulatory hurdles, it's also about aligning with the continent's unforgiving timetable. The Antarctic summer, stretching from November to March, offers a fleeting window of opportunity when temperatures briefly rise above freezing and the sea ice recedes enough to allow ship access. But this window is short and unpredictable. Storms can delay departures, pack ice can block shipping lanes, and unforeseen circumstances can force expeditions to alter their plans or even turn back entirely. This limited season adds an element of chance and urgency to any Antarctic endeavor. Chapter 7. Human limits, health risks and psychological challenges. Antarctica tests not only our physical limits but our mental resilience as well. The extreme cold, isolation and lack of sunlight can take a toll on even the hardiest individuals. Medical emergencies are particularly challenging to handle in this remote environment. Evacuation can be impossible during bad weather, and even minor injuries can become serious complications. The psychological impact of isolation, confinement, and the constant awareness of the hostile environment surrounding you should not be underestimated. Mental fortitude and adaptability are as crucial as physical fitness for anyone venturing to this extreme corner of our planet. Outro, a realm of extremes. Despite these immense challenges, scientists and a few adventurous tourists do make it to Antarctica each year. Drawn by its stark beauty, scientific significance, and the allure of the unknown, they brave the perilous journey to experience this extraordinary continent. Their journeys require immense preparation, funding, and resilience. They serve as a testament to the enduring human spirit of exploration and our fascination with the most remote and challenging corners of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of why reaching Antarctica is almost impossible.